Alright, we're back. I'm going to open up a couple of these flat bands. Series 1. Here it comes. Uh-oh. Oh, another Brahma Bull. Alright, so last pack magic they call it these days. Let's see if we get that extra rare. Oh, IC champion. Alright. Now we got the Series 1. Trying to look for the Undertaker here. See what we got. Ooh, tag belt. Not bad. Open up another one. Oh, NXT. Which one's this? Oh, we got the North American Championship. Alright. Got another tag belt to match the other one. Got a couple more packs here. Running wild. Still looking for the Taker's belt. Oh, another NXT belt. Ooh, US champ. That last one, last pack magic. Hopefully we can get it. Let's see. Oh, IC belt. Alright, that's it. We might have to get a couple more, but no luck on the Undertaker. But we'll see next time. Alright, these are all the belts. Nice. Alright, thanks for watching.